We all know that accidents can happen in the blink of an eye, but what if we could equip ourselves with life-saving inventions that could help us prevent or even survive accidents? Every day, more than 3,700 people are killed globally in crashes involving cars, buses, motorcycles, bicycles, trucks, or pedestrians. More than half of those killed are pedestrians, motorcyclists, or cyclists. With such common dangers, it's terrifying to think about the potential consequences of going out publicly. But thankfully, there are already a lot of life-saving innovations available to protect us from such hazardous situations. Today, we'll be exploring some of the amazing life-saving inventions that have been developed over the years and how they could help keep us safe from accidents. From advanced rescue operations to cutting-edge safety innovations, these innovations are sure to bring peace of mind to any family. This is Technology Now. Number 1. Wanfang Lifesaver. Consider this as a backup plan for getting people out of skyscrapers. Its inventors claim it can evacuate a 20-story building of 100 people in 15 minutes, and persons on various levels may be evacuated independently. Simple preparations include dropping the cable and wearing a harness for a controlled descent with little effort. You just have to push off the wall. It's so easy that even kids can use it. Additionally, frequent drills and exercises may be conducted because of how simple it is to deploy. It's entertaining, so people will want to watch and learn the basics. Number 2. Ingstrom Escape Chute. Ever wonder what if a fire breaks out in an underground construction site? Well, it's a big deal. So, how do you get the crew out? Well, there are ladders, but people can get burned or poisoned by the products of combustion. So, things like these chutes save the day. One of the best things about this idea is that it's safer than using ladders. The innovative escape chutes are designed to help you get away quickly and safely in any emergency. Also, it is flame-resistant and capable of supporting up to 661 pounds. The chutes need almost little maintenance too. In fact, there are people who have been using them for over a decade. Also, they may be used for a wide variety of purposes, from machinery to buildings. So, don't wait. Escape today. Number 3. Kitty Escape Ladders. The National Fire Protection Association reports that every 3 hours, someone in the United States loses their life in a house fire, so it is advised to keep a ladder in each bedroom on upper levels. If you have a 2-story house and there is ever a fire, the Kitty Escape Ladder may save your life. It's compact enough to fit under the bed or next to a window, and it's simple to set up and operate. Lengths of up to 13 or 25 feet are available for this ladder. They fold up little and weigh just 7.7 pounds, yet they can support up to 1,000 pounds. This method works very well for structures with 2 or 3 stories. Nonetheless, the manufacturer stresses that this is a disposable ladder and should be thrown away after usage. The cost is between $50 and $70. Kitty Escape Ladders provide a convenient, easy-to-store solution to make sure you and your family can safely escape a burning home. Number 4. Hydronolix Mob Emily. Staying on the topic of safety gear and cutting-edge life-saving technology, we were pleased to discover that this device is being tested by lifeguards at Malibu's Zuma Beach right now. The Emily, created by Hydronolix's Tony Mulligan and named for its emergency integrated life-saving lanyard, is a 25-pound remote-controlled buoy system that can withstand winds of up to 40 miles per hour and can be deployed rapidly in a mob scene. It is similar to a jet ski's propulsion system in that it uses a powerful spray of water squirted from a small electric pump called an impeller and can go up to 80 miles on a single charge. Up to 5 people may ride on the device's foam core, holding on to Emily's ropes until rescuers come. Number 5. Autoliv Airbags. In terms of airbag production technology, Autoliv is acknowledged as the industry's top innovator. Even in modern high-tech automobiles, airbags provide an additional layer of safety protection and function best when used in combination with seatbelts. The steering wheel, instrument panel, and windshield are all protected from impact by driver and passenger airbags, which serve as an energy-absorbing cushion. For drivers wearing seatbelts, the driver airbag decreases frontal accident mortality by around 25% and reduces catastrophic head injuries by more than 60%. About 20% fewer people die in frontal collisions when there is a passenger airbag for belted occupants. Definitely a solution that works in a fraction of a second. Number 6. Modular Scheme of Aviation Emergency Rescue. A new concept for airplane rescue is on the horizon. This revolutionary module promises to revolutionize air travel by providing a safe and efficient way for passengers to escape in the event of an emergency. About 75% of aviation accidents are attributed to pilot mistakes. If we reach a point where we can no longer mitigate these circumstances, we should think about a whole new way to design planes. In the event of an emergency, it is advised to design the aircraft such that the passenger compartment may be detached and to make a soft landing with the aid of parachutes. Using cutting-edge materials like Kevlar carbon composites would raise ticket prices by around 15%. And to their surprise, 95% of passengers said they would still fly on this kind of aircraft even if the price goes up. With this advanced technology and innovative design, this module could be the key to saving lives during air disasters. Now, get ready for the future of airplane safety. Number 7. Grantham Mech Vent. Now we'll look at a patented American answer to a problem faced by firemen. It's an efficient method of clearing the air and cooling the space down immediately after a fire has occurred. Manufacturers claim that even with the latest in firefighter safety gear, firemen will only have a few seconds to escape a flashover. Getting rid of possible risks by clearing the room first makes sense. There are two modes of operation for this system. It helps put out fires by sucking in smoky air and heating air from the surroundings. The designer was an actual fireman who was moved to action due to a shortage of resources for his department. The life-saving potential of this instrument is its primary focus. The group is now trying to raise money for the development of version 2.0. The initial model weighed 82 pounds, but the second model dropped to 47 pounds, so improvement is on its way. Alright, I just want to make sure you're having fun with this video. If you are, please subscribe and hit the like button so you don't miss any of the daily technologically themed content we upload. Number 8. Lifesaver Storm Shelters. When disaster strikes, you want to be as safe and secure as possible. That's why Lifesaver Storm Shelters is the perfect solution for you and your family. Tornadoes and hurricanes are major threats in the United States, prompting many citizens to invest in protective shelters. If you prefer not to dig a hole in your yard, the company also has above-ground ones that are small enough to fit inside a typical home. There are 3 brands to choose from, and each one has been shown to withstand winds of up to 200 miles per hour or more. With their top-of-the-line storm shelters, you can rest easy knowing you are safe from whatever Mother Nature throws your way. Cost of these starts at $3,500. Number 9. Escape Rescue Evacuation Center. The following scene will show you a revolutionary method of quick and secure evacuation, or at least that's what the people who made it are certain of. They should feel justified in their pride considering that the system is in widespread usage around the globe, crossing the ocean from South Korea to Israel. So what makes it so special? Well, it's the only known method of swiftly transporting rescuers to the top levels, allowing for the safe evacuation of persons of any age or physical condition. The second issue is the lengthy setup time required before use, about 2 to 4 minutes. Thirdly, it is ideal for large-scale evacuations, thus many of lives may be saved with each labor cycle. Moreover, the cabins include built-in safeguards against fire and smoke, and the whole system can function without external power sources. Number 10. Elite E-Turtle. Statistically speaking, motorcyclists have a 13 times higher risk of injury in collisions than car drivers. Consequently, motorcyclists should pay attention to both the airbag and the life vest that has been shown today. The maker boasts that the vest's multi-sensor system makes it very useful. The fork of the motorbike is equipped with a separate sensor. The solution is fully hands-off with essential organs shielded by cutting-edge turtle tech. The vest is lightweight and slim enough to be worn over existing garments. Both mechanical and electronic forms are commercially available. Number 11. Little Ripper Lifesaver. Introducing the Little Ripper Lifesaver drone. the revolutionary new piece of life-saving equipment that could help save lives in emergency situations. Even though it's only in the idea stage, this South Korean endeavor seems promising. What you're looking at is an amphibious drone that also has a rescue boat built right into its body. A drone may land in the water next to a drowning person, trigger a life raft, and then pull the victim to safety on a rescue boat or the beach. Number 12. Line Thrower PLT R150. Drowning ranks third among all accidental causes of death worldwide according to UN statistics. Luckily, this apparatus may save someone who's drowning. Despite the fact that mooring is its primary function, it has other uses as well. A line thrower appears on the displays. Depending on the rope's diameter, you may throw it as far as 490 feet. The maker supplied 2 heavy-duty plastic bullets with rubber tips and even a CD. Apparently, these are the secrets of precision shooting. The Norwegian producer produces a wide range of mooring and hoisting gear. The price for the line thrower is $150. Number 13. Life Raft Rescue Tip Board. Due to increasing sea levels, Amsterdam may be flooded by the year 2030, making this kind of innovation crucial. What makes this a masterpiece is that it consists of 2 parts, raft boat plus towing device. Due to its unconventional design, this lifeboat can be inflated in under a minute and used to transport victims to safety. It is possible for the towing unit to reach speeds of up to 12.4 miles per hour. Teams of rescuers are expected to operate together. 2 people are needed. One will run the tug, while the other will help to extract the casualties. The designers claim that their final scheme is a low-cost, easily implemented, year-round option. Great! We all know accidents can happen in the blink of an eye. So it's a good thing that humanity has been constantly striving to find ways to protect itself from the dangers of everyday life. Which of these inventions could truly save you in an event of a disaster? Please let us know in the comments section below. I hope you found this video useful. Again, make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Thanks for watching all the latest technological developments right now. This is Technology Now. I'll see you in the next video.